Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you get Minecraft shaders for free. This is very easy guys. All you have to do is go over to this website and just follow all the steps here to install this shaders. So you should only download this here on this site. It is proven safe guys, and this owner is actually a proven and reliable person in the Minecraft community. So you can choose a couple of different things for the shaders here, and then you just go ahead and follow the steps on how you can install it once you've downloaded it. And there, guys. So don't worry, I will go ahead and provide you the link for this so that you won't have to search for it, guys. So okay, guys, this is just a simple guide on how you can do it. So thank you for watching and goodbye.